Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to enable Smart Compose in Gmail. So what is Smart Compose? When you typing an email message, Gmail will suggest words and phrases that can use to complete your sentence. So suppose this is my Gmail account. From here I want to compose one mail, so click on compose. Now I am going to write something. You can see there is no writing suggestions appears. It should be appear over here. So now I am going to enable the Smart Compose. So let me show you how to quick set this up in Gmail. So I need to close this. From the upper right corner you will find a icon called settings. Click on here, then click see all settings. Here you have to click on general tabs and the scroll down. Here you will find Smart Compose over here. So you can see writing suggestion off. You need to enable this by click on writing suggestion on. Click on here. Now it will on. Then what you have to do, you have to just click on save changes. Now same thing I want to compose, and now once again now I am going to typing something. When I start typing you can see how it's gonna be auto completion. So let's check. Hope this. Now you can find the sentence will be auto completed. Hope this email finds you well. So if you want to keep this, you just click on tab, and after that you can alter this also. Actually Smart Compose helps save you time, as well as is also reducing the chance of spelling and grammatical errors. That's it. Hope this video will help you. If you really like this, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.